Lastly, once the student is settled into the actual unit, we would want to create a rental contract for them. Depending on the unit that they're staying in, obviously the amount would differ. Therefore, it needs to be done manually via a fixed term contract, considering it is also a recurring payment that needs to be done at the beginning of every month. So similar to the once-off contract we created, we would head on over to developments. This time we would select Green Meadows Pilot, seeing as that is where the tenant is currently occupied. Again, we would head on over to contracts and we would say new. This time when selecting type, we want to select fixed term. User, we would type in again student and select the end user from the drop down list. Merchant, we can select Green Meadows Pilot units. Term from, so we would want the student to be billed from the beginning of October up until next year, December. Billing frequency, we would want that to happen on a monthly basis, and the first bill, we would also want that to happen on the 1st of October. Development, we again select Green Meadows Pilot. Unit would be 426A, and then the amount that needs to be deducted at the beginning of every month, let's make that 3,000 again. Status active, billing status active, and then we can name this rent and A426. 2023 to 2024. Again, the description can depend on you. This is what will show up on the app, and that will also reflect on the system. So once we say create, they're all set, and the first bill will run on the 1st of October. We can also view this by going into the contract. And then the contract for fixed term, once we go in there, we can head on over to billing, and we can see that all the amounts are future dated. And on the 1st of October, we will be able to see that this bill would have hit on their account.